Okay, what is happening? Why is there a Why is there Why is Silent Head here? What? What's happening? Who's Silent Head? Okay, what? There's a literal helicopter. Is it a car? This is World War II. Ready the bomb! I never experienced this. There's totally no. Who took all the subspaces hit mines? The railroad. Let's put it right in spawn. We got it. What is that? Ah! What is that? Why is this still silent? Fucker! Look, it's too silent. Die. It'll die. Okay, he has barter bombs. Please don't insert a nuke bird. Let me see. Where's nuke bird? Where's nuke bird? What is this? What is this? Why is there a house here? Hey yo, my neck. My neck. My neck hurts. Hey! You put it among us! Come here and it's my among us. No, give me my among us! That's my among us! Stop, that's mine! That's mine! You got a portable! Someone inserted substance into it. Okay, what is that? What is that? And why is there glowing birds? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm squirting! Hey, yo. No. Okay. No. Oh my God. Look at them just flying. I'm taking a picture of the roof. That was great. No! Dick bird. Dick bird. Nope. No, let me see. No way. Are you kidding? Oh my God! It's happening and at least tell me what's happening. After we get in the video, let me show you a glitch. So you need shapes, and then just spam every button, and there will be squares everywhere. And then pick triangle because it's fast. Because you only use square. football. Okay, back in the bird simulator. Back in the bird simulator. No! Bro. Now nobody can play bird. That's cursed. And with void. I just wanted to play bird. Yeah, me too. And then I just stumbled upon it. Oh. I know someone nuked the server by pressing F. Good, there's a good server. Is the server good now? Okay, maybe free players in this shit. I make a private server. No. One player. You can. Wow.